Hey guys, and what's going on? Welcome back to an all-new Cold Culture automotive video. Today I'm putting the Raptor tailgate applique on my 2022 F-150, but there's a lot of modifications that go into this. So let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Okay, so here's the applique. This is from Amazon, but it's from kind of a janky Chinese website. These are actually like the letters that would be on a Gen 2 Raptor, as far as I understand. These are much bigger. They fill up the whole entire thing. The F-150 is also the same as a Gen 2 Raptor, but let me flip this over and show you guys what the big problem is here. Now, it doesn't come with the 3M on it, and the 3M's messed up because I did this a couple days ago, and then I had to restore it because this bezel is just too skinny to hold on to anything. And this tape actually makes it look bigger than it is. That's what it really is. It's super duper small. So I'm gonna have to fix that. And the other thing I'm gonna have to fix is the front side. Now, the front side doesn't look too bad, especially not at a first glance, but it scratches insanely easy because it's kind of this janky 3D printed plastic. So it scratches really easy. Even on like this soft wood counter, like it being on its face, it scratches. I'm gonna be off-roading a lot, like I'm sure a lot of you will be. I need to protect this and make it look nice. It also has this weird bow in it. You can kind of see the fact that it bounces. Pretty sure that's just because it was in a box for so long, but But let's flip this over and let me show you how I'm gonna fix it. Now I have one of these, which I'm sure a lot of you probably don't have one of these, but these are a 3D printer pen. I don't really know if it's gonna work or not at this time, but my idea is I'm gonna go around the border, give the tape more real estate to hold on to. With that, hopefully you'll be able to stick onto the truck more efficiently, and I won't have to worry about it falling off or anything like that. So this is what I'm gonna use. If you don't know what this is, it's almost like a hot glue gun, but for plastic, and it's saved my ass a couple times. You can kind of plastic weld with it in a more clean looking way. So that's what I have planned for the tape on the back. What I have planned for the front side is to wrap it, and I'm gonna wrap it in just matte black, plain old matte black. I was gonna do the letters red, but I think I prefer it just to be matte black. That way it protects the plastics and keep it looking nice. I've helped wrap the full car before, and I've wrapped a bunch of little pieces, so I'm a little bit experienced with it. So with the little experience I have, hopefully it comes out looking good, but let's just jump into it. Now, unfortunately, because I've already put 3M tape on here, my first step is gonna be removing all of it as the extruder goes ahead and warms up. It's gonna go ahead and turn green when it's ready. So that won't take me too long. I figure I'll take a second and talk about this. Now, I bought this a long time ago as kind of an arts and crafts project, but it has helped me out in the automotive world a little bit. I'm able to make little braces that kind of go around wires to hold them down, and also repair any tabs that I break on trucks, which I've done often, being just a little bit too aggressive. So you see the heat going up right there. It has the red light. Eventually that red light's gonna turn green, and then I'm gonna be able to extrude out the end here. Caution, it gets really hot. I don't really care about the brand or anything like that. I'm not big into 3D printing or 3D modeling, but I'm hoping this is going to be able to help me out here today and really give me a better edge to hold on to here. Talking about 3D printing, I think it is ironic I'm using the 3D pen, and this appears to me that it was 3D printed. Yeah, kind of ironic. Boom, that's green now. That means it's ready to go. And I'll show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing here. Okay, so originally I had planned to do this along the whole thing, and I figured that would be enough extra room to really give this some grip to hold on to. But the problem is, this alone probably just took me 10 minutes. So doing the whole border is just unrealistic, and it's not really perfect. I'm gonna have to go over this with a hot knife and flatten it all out. But what I am thinking of doing is doing something like this, bringing it out farther, making it like a bigger piece, right? And then with that, putting one here, and then there, and then one here, and then there, and then in the corners, and then also put a tape here, and then probably maybe a higher quality 3M tape. This 3M tape just seemed crappy. It actually looks more like a rubber sealant than it does actual 3M tape. So I'm probably go to the hardware store, get some actual good 3M tape, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so this is kind of how it came out. It's not perfect, but when I get the other ones in place, I think that's what it's gonna be like. I think it actually came out just like I envisioned. It's in there really good. I can't pop it off even if I tried. It's fused to the plastic. Sorry for the noise in the background. It's Loki in his cage. So anyway, I'm gonna get this thing all hooked up. I'm gonna get one right across. And then I think I'm only gonna do 6. 1 on each corner, 2 in the middle, and then on the other corner. So we'll see how that turns out. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all done. I'll put up a picture of the 3M tape that I used. It's extra strength automotive tape, so it won't hurt my paint. But yeah, I think it looks really nice, and I think it's going to hold up really well. Okay, so after peeling back all of that tape, went ahead and started to line it up. You're going to need 2 people for this. Don't even try it by yourself because you'll never line it up right now. You're going to see that we're trying to get that edge and really line it up against the top edge because the bottom edge isn't as sharp on the tailgate, and it's not as defined or easy to see, I should say. But, you know, we kind of fidget around with it and kind of mess it up a little bit, to be honest with you. You know, I take a step back and try to see it, and to me it looked pretty okay. So, you know, I'm trying to follow through with it, but because we kept relifting it, the tape was getting stuck and kind of making a mess from behind. So I had to tuck that in, but I'll show you that later. Make sure you go check out my Instagram account and follow me over there. I'm going to do something special soon once I reach 2,000 subs. But for now, back to the video and let's see what this truck looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. And hey, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I think the truck looks pretty amazing. Let me know what you think down below. Would you ever do something like this? I know it kind of looks incomplete right now, but I promise it's going to look a little bit better coming soon. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys next time.